Good morning, class 6. Today we will start a new chapter, that is major crops. Crops are cultivated plants grown by farmers. They consist mainly of grains and people eat it. Vegetable fruits are also part of the category crops. Here we will learn about two types of crops, food crops and cash crops. Now what are food crops? Food crops are the crops those are grown for the consumption of people. That means which provides food to the people. Food crops include cereals, millets, pulses, spices, etc. Cereals, rice, wheat, pulses, moong dal. Millets is jowar, bajra. In India, food crops are identified according to the season they are grown. Here, they are grown in two seasons, therefore, it is known as Kharif crops and Ravi crops. Now, Kharif crops are grown in the month of July when their rain begins and is harvested in the November when it is dry. Example of Kharif crops are wheat, rice, maize, pulses, millet, turmeric, groundnut, etc. soybean. Now, whereas Rabi crops are the crops that are in the month of October and harvested in the month of February. Rabi crops includes crops like wheat, barley, peas, sesame, mustard, etc. Apart from this, one more type of crops is grown that is known as Zaid crops that are grown in the month of March and June. Example of such crops are watermelon, melon, musk, sweet potatoes, gourd, bitter gourd, etc. Now we will read about rice. Where is rice? Rice is the staple food of India that is grown. 15% of the population in the world consume rice. It is grown where the temperature remains between 20 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade. It can be grown in both tropical and temperate region. It requires plenty of water during harvesting, before harvesting, and it needs a fine soil which can hold the water also. The suggestion of India where rice is cultivated, the regions where rice is cultivated are the Gangetic Basin, the Brahmaputra Plain, the eastern coastal region, the western coastal region and the central state. Gangetic region because the soil is very fertile and water is easily available. Gangetic region is the places from Uttar Pradesh to Bihar to the Sundarban in West Bengal. Next is Brahmaputra Basin, that is in Assam. Whereas in the eastern coastal region of India, it includes Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. In the western part, some parts of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Karnataka, and in central, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Whereas Punjab and Haryana in the north are also the major producer of rice. Apart from India, rice is also grown in countries like China, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Thailand and Myanmar, Brazil, Japan, Argentina, as it is the most important producer of rice. China is the world's largest rice producing country, followed by India. Next is wheat. Wheat is the cereal crop which belongs to the grass family. It is grown well in temperate region, mainly grown in winter months. It needs a temperature from 10 degrees centigrade to 15 degrees centigrade, where in the growing season it needs 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. Wheat is also an important food crop from the northern part of India and is a basic diet of the people. After rice, it is the wheat which is which have importance in our diet. Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of wheat in India, together with Punjab and Haryana. It produces about 60% of the total wheat produced in the country. Apart from this, we can find wheat in Rajasthan, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and states like Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir, Jammu, West Bengal, etc. Apart from India, USA, Russia, France, Canada also produces wheat. Pakistan, Ukraine, Argentina, Chile. But USA and Canada are the largest producer of the greatest producer or wheat exporter of the world. Cultivation of some countries such as USA, Canada, Russia and Australia are scientifically done and highly machinized. Here, maximum of the works are done by the machines, whereas in India, maximum work of the agriculture is done by human laborers. Next is cash crops. What is cash crops? Cash crops are primarily grown for the commercial uses, for cash. These crops are sold in market for profit, while food crops feed the people and his farmer's life and livestock. Cash crops sold by the farmers to enable them to earn more money. Example of cash crops are sugarcane, oilseeds, mustard, groundnut, soybean, etc. Sunflower, linseed, fibers, etc. Now we are having some other crops also, that coconut and fiber crops are also, cotton, jute are also coming in this category. Now we will read about sugarcane. Sugarcane is a hardy crop that is cultivated in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. It also belongs to the grass family. It is grown in large joint stalks measuring about 2 meter to 6 meter in height. It is from these stalks that raw sugarcane juice is extracted. Sugarcane is grown. The juice of the sugar is then further used to make sugars. Each of the stage of the sugar producing has its own name. The juice is further produced to make a product called molasses, or which you known as gur ya jaggery. After that, it is ready for us to eat. Next is ethanol. It is an industrial alcohol. The crushed fiber from which the sugar extract has been taken out, the leftovers is known as bagasse, and it is used to manufacture paper and fiber boards. Many of us don't know that nowadays this sound system board, cupboard that we are seeing, fancy boards, some of these boards are made from these leftover fibers of sugarcane. India is the first country to cultivate sugarcane about 327 BC, after which it was introduced in Egypt. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane in the world. It is Brazil who produces the maximum sugar. There are two distinct sugarcane producing regions of northern belt and southern belt. In the northern belt, it is Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and in the southern belt, it is Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Apart from this, China, Thailand, Pakistan, Mexico, Indonesia are some of the other important sugarcane growing regions of the world. After sugarcane, it is cotton. Cotton is the most important of all the fibers because it provides fiber to half of the world or the textile industry. It is the oldest fiber known to the mankind. Cotton is a white substance covering the seed harvested from the cotton plant. Cotton is generally grown in the kharif. It is known as a kharif crop because it requires long frost-free period to 6 to 8 months of the year, since frost is harmful for the plant. It also requires lots of sunshine, dry weather during harvesting. China, India and Pakistan are important cotton growing countries of the world. India stands second largest producer of cotton after China. According for about 25% of the world production of cotton comes from China. It is also world's second consumer of cotton. Consumer means user. The USA is the third largest producer of the cotton in the world. Gujarat is the largest producer of cotton in the country. In our country, Haryana is leading cotton producing state of the north. Next is jute. Jute, it is a long, soft vegetable fiber that can be spun into strong but coarse threads. It is most affordable industrial fiber obtained from the plant that can be made into any useful products. Nowadays, jute products are very useful around the world. We can find jute bags, even jute fine fibers are used to make dresses also. Jute, being of low cost, strength, luster and uniformity, jute is in great demand today around the world. Jute has been in use in India. Had been in use in India from the Middle East and Egypt since 8000 BC. Because of its shiny golden color, jute is also known as golden fiber. Jute is a kharif crop which is grown around in the month of February and March. The crop is made of the crop needs hot and humid climate. Humidity must be around 80 to 90%. The average temperature for jute must be 27 to 32 degrees. India is the largest producer of jute in the world, followed by Bangladesh. Other countries that produces jute is China, Pakistan, Nepal, South Sudan, Zimbabwe, Brazil, Vietnam, Myanmar. In India, West Bengal being the largest producer of jute. Other important states are Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya and Orissa. So, this much for now. Thank you.